Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your Kraken account in 2025. Easy and secure. First, log into your Kraken account on the website or the app. Next, go to the Funding tab at the top menu. Select Withdraw and choose the currency you want to withdraw, like USD, Euro, or crypto. If withdrawing Fiat like USD, pick your linked bank account or add a new withdrawal method if needed. For crypto, select your external wallet address. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, then double-check all the details carefully to avoid mistakes. Click Review Withdrawal, confirm the info, and submit your request. Depending on the withdrawal method, it may take a few minutes to several business days for the money to arrive. And that's it. Your Kraken withdrawal is in the process. If this helped, like the video, drop questions in the comments, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next time.